What are rational functions? Rational functions are just fractions with polynomials on top and bottom. For example, f of x is given by x plus 1 over x squared plus 2, x plus 1. Here, both the numerator and denominator are polynomials. For rational functions, denominator shouldn't be 0. If denominator d equals to 0, the function is undefined. As you can't divide by 0, some x values won't work. For example, f of x is given by x plus 1 over x minus 2. If x equals 2, the function will be f of 2 equals 2, 2 plus 1 over 2 minus 2, which is 3 over 0. Dividing by 0 makes the function undefined. Hence, x value 2 is not defined. Thanks for watching.